Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpened pencil, eraser, and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly. Don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey, my lovely kids, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Now, are you ready to study? Then take out your English book, English notebook, and open page number 1 to 12 of your English notebook. We are going to read these sentences. After reading these sentences, we will jot down these sentences in our notebook. Are you ready? Hold your pencil like this. Put your pencil below the sentences. Now start reading with me. Tom has a rose. Tom has a rose. Tom has a rose. Now write the sentence in your notebook. Tom. Start the sentence with the capital letter and leave one line gap between two words. Her ass has a rose, rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Full stop. Tom has a rose. T-O-M, Tom. H-A-S, has a R-O-S-E, rose. Tom has a rose. All of you have done. Now read the second sentence. He smells. With his nose. He smells with his nose. Now we are going to write this sentence in our notebook. So leave one line gap in between and start from the next line. Start with the capital letter H-E, he. Smells with her is his nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Full stop. He smells with her is his nose. He smells with his nose. He S-M-E-L-L-S, smells, W-I-T-H, with H-I-S, his, N-O-S-E, nose. He smells with his nose. All of you have done? Now start reading the next sentence. H-E, he, takes. T-H-E, the, rose, home. He takes the rose home. Now write this sentence in your notebook. Leave one line gap between the two sentences. He, he. Take, takes. The, the. Rose, home. He takes the rose home. Full stop. He, takes, takes. The, rose, home. He takes the rose home. Done? Now come to the next sentence. And, puts, puts, it, in, a, cone. And puts it in a cone. Now jot down this sentence in your notebook. Leave one line gap and write from the next line. And puts, puts, it, in, a, cone. Full stop. And puts it in a cone. And, puts, puts, it, in, a, cone. And puts it in a cone. Done? Now I know you all are genius. Now start reading these sentences. Tom has a rose. He smells with his nose. He takes the rose home and puts it in a cone. I'm so proud of you, kiddos. Now you have to read these sentences again and again. Now open a new page in your notebook. Now cutie pies, open a blank page in your English notebook. We have written the sentences. Now we are going to write OW sound words. As I told you, when OW comes at the end, its sound is O. But when the words start with OW, or whenever it is between the words, the sound is OW. OW. Now we are going to write these words. Write owl, owl. O-W-L, owl. The sound of OW is owl, owl. O-W-L, owl. Then write the next word. Owl, howl. Owl, howl. H-O-W-L, howl. Done. Write the next word. Cowl, cowl. C-O-W-L, cowl. Cowl, cowl. C-O-W-L, cowl. Done. Now write growl, growl. Growl, 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 growl. Done. Now write the next word. Brown, 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 brown. All of you have done till here? Shall we move forward? Now write crown, 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 crown. Then let's move further. Now write clown, 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 clown. Then now write down, 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 down. Done. Now write the next word. Gown, 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 gown. All of you have done? Now write the last word but not least. Town, 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 town. Done. Let's revise. Owl, owl, howl, howl, cowl, cowl, growl, growl, brown, brown, crown, crown, clown, clown, down, down, gown, gown, town, town. Now what you have to do? You have to practice these words again later on, and when you complete the page, click the photograph of both the pages and send it on the WhatsApp group. Keep learning, keep practicing. Have a nice day.